Everyone, I'm Dr. Katie Snow with Snow Holistic Health. Welcome back to our channel. Today I want to talk about a topic that many of our patients ask us about: how to support your body's natural detox process after vaccination. Let's start with understanding exactly what's in a vaccination, so you can see why supporting your detox systems makes sense. So what's in a vaccine? Every vaccine has a few key parts. There's active ingredients called antigens, which are either a weakened or inactive part of a virus or bacteria, or sometimes just a protein or sugar from it. These are what train your immune system to recognize and fight off infection. Some newer vaccines use genetic material, DNA or RNA, that tells your cells to make the antigen themselves, so your body can learn to defend against it. Then there are adjuvants, like aluminum salts, which are added to make your immune response stronger. Then there are stabilizers, such as sugar or gelatin, to help keep the vaccine stable while it is stored. Then there are preservatives like thimerosal and some multi-dose vials. So this would be a vial that they pull several doses out for individual people. And these preservatives help to prevent contamination. And finally, there can be trace residuals from the manufacturing process. Tiny amounts of things like antibiotics or egg protein. These ingredients work together to make a vaccine function, but after the immune system has done its job, the body also has to process and clear out what's left over. Now let's talk about how the body naturally detoxes. Your body is actually built with an incredible detox system. Your liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system, your gut, and even your skin all help filter, bind, and remove waste and byproducts from daily life, including what comes from medications and/or vaccinations. But when your system is under stress, sluggish, or overloaded, it may need a little extra support to function at its best. And so that leads us to talk about point number 3, which is supporting detox naturally and safely. Here are some simple holistic strategies that we use here at Snow Holistic Health to help support those natural detox pathways. Number 1 is hydration. Staying well hydrated is key. Water helps your kidneys and lymph system flush out toxins. Aim for half your body weight in ounces daily and add electrolytes. This would be like a mineralized salt or a packet like Element, especially if you're sweating outdoors or if you're doing sauna therapy. Number 2 is a product by standard process called GI Absorb. This product helps bind and remove unwanted substances from the body. It's gentle and food-based, supporting healthy elimination while protecting your GI lining. Number 3 is ultra liquid zeolite. Zeolites are natural mineral structures that act like sponges, helping trap and safely carry out heavy metals and other toxic items. The liquid form makes it easy to absorb and yet gentle enough for daily use. Number 4 is immune support with a product called Immuplex. Your immune system works hand in hand with your detox system. Immuplex from Standard Process provides foundational nutrients like zinc, iron, and vitamins A and C to help your immune defenses stay balanced and strong. Number 5 is sauna therapy. Sweating is one of the most powerful detox pathways that we have. Gentle infrared or dry sauna sessions a few times a week can help your body release stored toxins through the skin. If a sauna is not available or it's not in your budget, no worries. There are sauna blankets that you can buy online. I'll put a link to one of those in the description box below. Number 6 is healthy diet and intermittent fasting. Whole foods, especially leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and clean proteins, especially organ meats like beef liver or chicken liver. These help feed our body's liver and help it to produce glutathione. This is the body's master antioxidant. Intermittent fasting gives your body time to clean up old or damaged cells in a process called autophagy, which supports deep detox and repair. You can start with a window of even 6 hours of refraining from food, and a lot of times people are doing that overnight anyway. But if you can slowly build up to a 12, 16, or even 18-hour window, that gives you a very effective window to allow your body to rest from eating and do more cleanup work. Detoxing isn't about forcing your body. It's about supporting what it's already designed to do. By giving your detox and immune systems the right nutrients, hydration, and rest, you can help your body process everything it encounters more efficiently, including vaccinations. If you're interested in learning how to personalize your detox plan and you would like our help, we offer a complimentary phone call to find out more about becoming a patient. I've placed a link to that complimentary phone call in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to our channel to keep seeing our holistic health videos. I'm Dr. Katie Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.